Alright, update. I think we're ready to try to start it. Everything's back to where it should be temporarily because I haven't put the shroud in. But it'll be enough to try to turn it over and see what happens. Everything looks fairly good. I've checked and rechecked, so shit. Let's give it a shot and see what happens. That little 10 by 10 space is getting really cramped. Actually, it's a lot more spacey now. Alright. Power and everything. Here we go, cross your fingers. Oh shit, I heard that. It doesn't sound too good. Let's see. Alright, let's give it one more shot and then we'll dig back in and see what's up. Nothing. Alright. I will get back to you in a few minutes. Adios.